Hey guys, what's going on? It's Yassine and I have my favorite Android apps for the month of March. I have a collection of 10 great apps that I just discovered in the last month. Some of them are games, some of them for productivity, and some that I just fell in love with. So I hope you liked the video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. First on the list is an app called Connect the Cubes. This is a really fun and entertaining game that'll definitely keep you busy for hours at a time. Basically, all you have to do is draw a line between all the cubes without missing one. Just make sure you don't get stuck at the end of the row, or getting blocked as the game refers to it. If you get stuck, you can always click on the light bulb icon at the top right and the game will provide help for you. But solving each level on your own is extremely satisfying. There are different levels in the game, from very easy to the insanely difficult ones where the cubes start disappearing in the middle of you playing. Give this game a try and let me know what you think. Up next we have 248 Puzzle Game. 248 Puzzle is a relaxing game that's based on the idea of connecting similar color cells. You can connect them in any direction that you can possibly think of, and this freedom is what really makes this game tons of fun. It also has the function of moving entire columns or rows in any direction to line up the colors to your liking so you can plan your next move. I haven't really seen any game with this much flexibility. If you're looking for a relaxing yet addicting game, then this is definitely up your alley. You also get rewards for connecting entire rows together or making very unique connections. These power-ups or megastars bring a different dimension to the game and it keeps it fresh. Third on the list we have Justice League Action Run. This is a great new game. It is a forever running game style that has all the Justice League heroes. You get to assemble a team of 3 heroes and go on missions. The controls are fairly easy and simple to learn. Different gestures like swiping up, down, or tapping the screen will make your superhero do different actions. What I really like about the game though is how much more it brings to the table. There are navigation buttons on the bottom that let you watch video trailers of different movies and games that are related to DC Comics. Then you have the news section offering new things to try out. In the middle is where you can resume your game, and to the right you have facts about the heroes and actual comic books you can read. This is an awesome game with tons and tons of extra features. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Right after that we have Notography. If you're the type of person that's always posting quotes or sayings on your social media, then this app is perfect for you. It lets you take a quote and customize it so when you post it on social media, whether it's Instagram or Twitter, then it's not just plain text. Just type in what you want to say, then hit the style button on the top right. Then start swiping to go through different styles until you find the one you like. And by clicking on the down arrow, it'll keep the selected style and let you change the colors. This app comes with so many different styles and colors that your choices are endless. Once you decide on the one you like, just simply hit the publish button and you are ready to share it with the world. Halfway through the list we have Long Screenshot. I know there are probably tons of phones that can do this natively, but there are also tons of phones that can't do this. Long Screenshot basically lets you take a screenshot of an entire web page or an article. This comes in so clutch when you're trying to share something that is past where the screen ends. I switch phones a lot to test different ones, and this is definitely on my list of must-have apps. The 6th app on the list is Amusement Arcade 3D. If you like going to the carnival or amusement park and playing games, then this app is perfect for you. Now, you're not going to win any big prizes like those oversized stuffed animals, but it'll definitely satisfy your need to play amusement park games. This app pretty much covers all the main game types. You have basketball, you got rollerball, and frog leap, just to mention some of them. And to bring the whole thing together, there's also amusement themed background music. And by now you guys know how I feel about background music in my games. Anyway, let me know what's your favorite carnival game in the comment section right below that like button. Following that we have Summary Scanner. Summary Scanner is a document scanner that converts any text into an editable and shareable document. This can be really handy and helpful for students because you can scan notes from classmates or textbooks that you don't own in the library without having to retype the whole thing. It works by taking a picture of the document, and the processing speed varies depending on the length of the document, but from my experience, it's been fairly quick. I was able to test this out with handwritten notes, and it does not work for that. I normally take pictures of documents that I want to be able to pull up later, but having the ability for me to be able to edit them is a game changer. Hopefully this helps some of you guys in one way or another. Summary Scanner also has support for a bunch of different languages that are just a quick download away from the menu area. The last cool feature about Summary Scanner that I really like is that you can load saved pictures on your phone, for example a saved screenshot, and also convert that. This feature should be definitely able to help some of the students out there. 8th app on the list is Glasswire. This is a great new app to oversee your phone. Its main focus is to help you monitor your phone's data consumption, but it also keeps an eye on what applications are doing in the background. And it takes it even a step further by showing you what permissions applications have so you can make the necessary changes. It has a very clean and minimalistic design, which is welcoming and makes it easy to navigate around the UI. You can also set alerts and reminders for overall data limits and even individual application limits. The 9th app on the list is IP Webcam. Ever wanted to set up a camera in part of your place but didn't want to spend all that money on an expensive smart security camera? Well, you're in luck because this next app will literally let you use an old Android smartphone or tablet and turn it into a webcam. The setup process is extremely easy. Once it's downloaded and installed, then all you have to do is scroll to the bottom and click that Start Service button. You will automatically start seeing the camera feed with some information on the bottom. The next step is to open up a browser of your choice and type in the IP address in the URL. You will get this page with a bunch of information, but just click on that flash button and you'll get the feed to your phone live. This is extremely simple setup process for setting up a home security camera. If you have extra phones hanging around like I do, then this is definitely a handy little application. And the final app on the list is Background. I recently just discovered this app and it's a great wallpaper app. The ease of use and simple layout is what I really like about it. It has 3 sections in the free version. On the left you have categories, which can help you filter the wallpapers so that it's easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Right in the middle we have all the new wallpapers, and to the right you have the favorites tab, and this makes it finding old wallpapers super easy. When you find a wallpaper you like, just hit the plus sign and you can either quickly apply it or download it to keep it on your phone for good. And by the way, all the wallpapers you've been seeing in this video all came from that app. So those were my favorite apps for the month of March 2017. I hope you guys discovered some new apps and enjoyed the video. If you did, I would really appreciate if you smash that like button and also consider subscribing to my channel for more great tech videos like this one. I'll catch you guys in the next one, and until then, stay plugged.